I chose the Lablet story, The Greater Good by Rebecca Nisbet. It was posted on the lablet.com website, and it's a short story, a couple of pages long, that follows a woman going in for egg collection for in vitro fertilization. It goes into the history of the in vitro fertilization process while she's there, and she encounters the first woman born from in vitro fertilization at the Nobel Prize documentary film. Her name is Louise Brown. She was born in 1978. And then it goes through her story of egg collection. So she gets sedated after taking a whole bunch of hormones to stimulate egg production. And a big point in the story is that it used to be an inpatient procedure, but it's now considered an outpatient procedure. You give yourselves the injections at home, and then you go in and get the eggs removed, injected, and placed back. Current restrictions would actually make this kind of research impossible today, which is another really big point in the story. Due to ethical standards that we have now that we didn't have in the 1970s, it would be completely illegal to do this sort of testing on women in the first place, because it wouldn't be considered an actual form of treatment or therapy. It would just be considered similar to a cosmetic procedure. Infertility wasn't really viewed as a problem, whereas now it is. And they didn't know if IVF would produce quote-unquote normal children because it had never been done before, and it was a very confusing topic. But since the technology has been developed, over 5 million babies have been born due to in vitro fertilization, and it's a big staple of the medical industry today. Now, about the story itself, I found it very compelling. It was well written, it flowed from one line to the next, and while the history part seemed rather shoehorned in, because of the timing of when she goes to the clinic and stuff, the rest of it did not, and it was an excellent read from start to finish, and it played at the humanity and the emotion of the situation, as well as the scientific aspects of being under sedation, and the history did add to the story, however shoehorned it may have been. Thank you.